Stop translating English in your head. That habit is the reason you still hesitate when you speak. Most English learners study grammar, memorize vocabulary, and watch endless videos. But when it's time to actually talk, their mind freezes. Why? Because their brain is trained to analyze English, not speak it. In this video, you're going to train your brain differently. You'll listen and repeat with me using a technique called shadowing, the same method interpreters and language professionals use to build natural automatic speech. So don't just watch. Give yourself 10 minutes to speak with me out loud. Follow my rhythm, and let's start training your English the way it's supposed to be learned. Today's episode will be about evening routine and slowing down at night. Let's begin. The day is coming to an end. Most people are finishing their day. Inside your home, the atmosphere feels calmer now. The busy part of the day is over. You stand near the window for a moment. You look outside. A few cars pass on the street. Some windows in nearby buildings are still lit. People are at home now. Many are starting their evening routines. You turn away from the window. The room is quiet and comfortable. You walk over to a lamp and switch it on. The light fills the room softly. Now the space feels warm and relaxed. You walk slowly toward the kitchen. Dinner is already finished. The kitchen is mostly clean. You take a quick look around. The counter is clear. The sink is empty. It feels good when the kitchen is tidy at night. It gives you a sense that the day is complete. You fill the kettle with water. You place it on the stove or press the button on the electric kettle. Soon, you hear the sound of water heating. While you wait, you lean lightly against the counter. This is a quiet moment in your day. There is nothing urgent to do. Just a few small evening habits. When the water is ready, you pour it into a cup. Maybe you are making tea. Or maybe just hot water with lemon. You hold the warm mug in your hands. The warmth feels relaxing after a long day. You take a slow sip. After your drink, you walk back into the living room. The lights are soft. The room feels peaceful. You sit down for a moment. Maybe on the couch or in your favorite chair. Some people watch a little television. Some people read a book. Others simply sit and enjoy the quiet. After some time, you begin getting ready for bed. You stand up and turn off the living room light. Then you walk down the hallway. The house is quieter now. Most of the day's activity has faded. You go into the bathroom. You turn on the light and look in the mirror. It has been a long day. Now it is time to relax. You pick up your toothbrush and begin brushing your teeth. Slow movements. Nothing rushed. Up and down, side to side. A simple routine you repeat every night. You rinse your mouth and wash your face. Cool water feels refreshing. It helps you let go of the day. You dry your face with a towel. Then you turn off the bathroom light. Next, you go to the bedroom. The room is calm and quiet. You change into comfortable clothes. Maybe soft pajamas or a comfortable t-shirt. Your body begins to feel more relaxed. Your shoulders loosen. Your breathing becomes slower. You sit on the edge of the bed. For a moment, you pause. Some people check a book. Some people write a few thoughts in a journal. Others simply enjoy a few minutes of silence. There is no rush now. The day is almost finished. You pull back the blanket and lie down in bed. The mattress feels comfortable. The pillow supports your head. You adjust the blanket until you feel just right. Maybe you read a few pages of a book. The bedside lamp gives a soft light. Your eyes begin to feel heavier. The day has taken a lot of energy. And now your body is ready to rest. Sometimes, when you close your eyes, your mind is still active. Thoughts from the day appear. You remember conversations. You think about things you need to do tomorrow. This happens to many people. But slowly the thoughts become quieter. You take a slow breath in and a slow breath out. You close the book and place it beside the bed. Then you reach for the lamp and turn it off. The room becomes dark and quiet. You lie comfortably under the blanket. Your breathing becomes steady. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The day is finished. There are no more tasks to complete. No more messages to send. Everything else can wait until tomorrow. Now it is time to rest. Your body relaxes deeper into the bed. Your mind becomes calm. And slowly, you drift towards sleep. Great work today! If you repeated the sentences out loud, you just practiced speaking English in a very natural way. Shadowing helps your brain get used to the rhythm of English. The more you do it, the more natural speaking will feel. If you would like to review today's sentences, you can download the free worksheet in the description below. The worksheet includes the sentences from this practice, so you can read them, repeat them, and practice again anytime you want. You should also watch this video again tomorrow and try to speak a little more smoothly each time. Thank you for practicing with me tonight. Now take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy the rest of your evening. See you in the next shadowing practice. Bye-bye.